It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, thanks for stopping in to It's Vegan. Today we are going to make some pumpkin pie. To start with, I have some ground flax seeds here and I am going to add some water to them. We're going to fake an egg. I'm going to get this started because you're going to want to let it sit for a couple minutes before you use it. We're starting with our can of pumpkin. Into the pumpkin, we're going to add sugar, nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. We're also going to add maple syrup, arrowroot, and we want to get just the cream off of this canned coconut and leave the liquid in it. So I took it ahead of time and I put it in the fridge, and it helps it kind of congeal and separate. So I'm just going to take a spoon and scoop the top off of this. Oh, this can's like all cream. Oh, there's the water down at the bottom. If you've never done this, it's kind of neat. You'll be able to tell when you get down to the coconut liquid. It'll just be totally separate. You can see how it's totally separated. Probably just drink that coconut water later. Now I'm going to stir up our flaxseed again. And add that to the mix. I've already got my pumpkin pie crust made, and we do have another video that makes that pie crust, and we'll link it below. To start, I'm just going to stir this with this, but then I'm going to whisk it together. This is going to make a 9-inch deep dish pumpkin pie. You want to whisk it because with that coconut milk being cold, it's going to want to have little lumps in there, and you're going to want to get those all out before you get it in the oven. And the oven is preheating to 425, and then you have to turn it down after 15 minutes. I think we got a little lump in there still. Stir it a little bit more. Just want to whisk it until everything is nicely incorporated. And we are ready to fill our pie crust. I'm going to move some of this stuff out of here. And max this pie pan out all the time. Smooth the top out. It's already so pretty. I'm gonna pop this in the oven. Like I said, after 15 minutes, you're gonna want to turn your oven down to 350 to continue cooking it for the rest of the time. We will be back when this beauty's ready. Our pumpkin pie is out of the oven and we let it cool overnight. Now it's time to cut it and serve it. I don't know about you guys, but when I think of Thanksgiving, I definitely think of pumpkin pie. Whether you're vegan or not, you want to have some pumpkin pie after your meal, right? And even people that aren't vegan still like this pumpkin pie. Oh, isn't that pretty? And I got some non-dairy Ready Whip, because I feel like pumpkin pie just isn't complete without a dab of Ready Whip on it. This is a recipe that I took from Betty Crocker, and then I veganized it because I knew I already liked her recipe. I think you're gonna like this pie. I don't even think you would know if it was vegan or not. Take it to a party and share it with your friends. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Come back and see us soon. It's blooper time. Okay, I think I'm ready.